Johnny Depp. 5 hours and 53 minutes. Captain's Vlog. Stardate 40.319.96.E1006.000. Good morning, people. It's almost 8 o'clock. It's Thursday, 17th of April, I believe. Yesterday I did my delivery, but I didn't have a trip, so listen to an audiobook. I'll put it in the description. The narrator is Johnny Depp. I like that. It's an audiobook about a famous band. I think I forgot, Deep Purple or something like that. I don't remember. And yeah, hopefully today we have a trip. Let's see how my sleep score was. So 5 hours and 53 minutes, and I got a sleep score above 50. Usually my sleep score is around 50, which is bad because it should be 80, 90, something like that. I got 72 this time, so woo! You slept a bit less than recommended, and your amount of REM sleep was low. You had a lot of stress late in the day. Yes, I was editing, and might compromise your sleep. I do not know, but maybe because I stayed in front of the monitor, that might be it. Anyway, started the day cleaning a little bit the truck and refueling and everything here at Flying J Saskatoon, and waiting for the trip. Rugăciune de joi. Doamne Iisus Hristoase, Fiul și Cuvântul lui Dumnezeu Tatăl, care în ziua de astăzi ai luat ceea ce de pe urmă cu ucenicii tăi. So what did I do today? Which is the second day that I sit here at Flying J Saskatoon. Well, I talked with car hauler. I'm interested in that. Maybe I can do that in the future. That was a nice conversation. And this is the first day I managed to do all of my habits shown here. So audiobook check, health, I have an application check, daily prayer checked, another prayer that I do check. Cetera is a game or an application that you learn countries flags, countries cities, countries capitals or big cities or regions, and it's worldwide and regions and stuff like that. I really love Cetera. Maybe I should show it a little bit. Then chess, I have 2 language apps, Duolingo and Fluyo, that I'm learning Russian, sudoku, and some exercises and walk. So this is the first time, as you can see, I have done all of them. Usually it's sporadic, or sometimes I forget, because I'm sure Monday or Tuesday I listen to audiobook for sure. That's about it. Cetera. Let's go with maps. So you have this. So this is South America. This is the things that I already did. I don't know why I tried to learn districts of Suriname. I was just curious. And then you have flags, and that's the level that I am currently. So yeah, that was a big part of the day. I also napped a lot, but still not enough. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow we have a trip, because tomorrow is what do you call it, Big Friday before Easter, and in Christian Orthodox religion is very important. And if I leave tomorrow early enough, I might make it for the Saturday night church thing, but if I leave late, I will not make it. Anyway, I will see. By the way, I will link a study below, because most of the things that I do in my job, I read or researched so I can do them good, or like I don't want to be. I love my job, so I want to do things good. So I said, okay, I'm a truck driver. How do I make new brain cells, or like to not feel the age so much? So the most growth you'll have if you learn a new language, a completely new language, and I'll link the study below. But Sudoku and chess, and etc. to some point, but Sudoku and chess just maintains or like has a little bit of growth, but not as much as learning a new language. So I'm trying Russian because Russian I have been trying to learn for many years because I love Russian culture, and I wish in the future to learn Spanish. While I do understand a little bit, I want to learn it because my wife loves Spanish, so maybe I will learn for Spanish for her. And I love also Portuguese, so we'll see how that goes in the years to come. Yep, still at Flying J in Saskatoon. Let's go for some truck spotting before I go to sleep. Let's see what we can find. Of course, I leave my shoes here. Oh boy. Hey Max, hope we go home soon. So I think people are not coming because nothing really interesting here. As I was saying, I think people are not coming because they're preparing for Easter weekend. I should be preparing also. So there's a small truck there, not that interesting. Freightliner, Volvo Freightliner. Here's another Freightliner. Oh, let's start this one. It's a big boy. Yeah. Man, look at that clearance. I like that. April 17 and still -2. So, Canada stuff. Oh, let's see. This looks clean. I noticed there's like a truck wash, not very far. Q line. Man, but yesterday there were like some fancy trucks. Pete Kenny. Another Western. Yeah, I see a green one there in the corner. Let's see what's that about. Holy shit. Man, but and this one is also older Freightliner, I think. I think those are paper rolls or like paper pulp. And oversized boy. And he's a Freightliner also. Yeah, so nothing interesting. That's a small, that's a red. Yeah. Well, I guess that's it for today. Hopefully tomorrow I drive, cause yeah, ooh, that's a nice camper. I could live in one of those. Anyway, flying Jason's good one. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.